What happens if the person who is filing for you to get a green card suddenly passes away? I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal, where I help my clients get green cards, oftentimes without needing to leave the United States. If you'd like to work with us on your immigration case, please give my office a call at 508 942 7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation today. So this video addresses a situation that is coming up a lot, especially during the pandemic, where a lot of people have passed away due to COVID. And that situation is, if the petitioner is, someone getting you a green card and then all of a sudden they pass away, what happens to your application? And at the risk of sounding like a lawyer, it depends. So let's go through two common scenarios and what your options are. So let's say you are in the United States and you are married to a US citizen and your I-130 application is pending. And all of a sudden, your US citizen petitioner spouse passes away. If that application is still pending, then it automatically converts into what is called a widow petition. And as long as you file within 2 years of when your spouse passes away and you don't remarry and you and your spouse were not separated at the time that they passed away, then you may still be able to continue the process to get yourself a green card. Another common situation that happens is maybe your mom is petitioning for you, or your dad, or maybe your brother petitioned for you to get a green card, and you've been waiting a really long time for that application. Let's say 10 years passes, because if it's a sibling petition, then it's a really long wait time, a minimum of 15 years right now. So anything can happen in that 10 to 15 year or even longer for some countries. A lot can happen during that period. And let's say that your sister petitions for you to get a green card and now your sister has passed away. What are your options? So there's something under our immigration policies and laws called humanitarian reinstatement. And it is a request that you would make to the appropriate immigration agency. And you're basically asking them to revive your application. Because again, whenever the petitioner passes away, the application dies with that petitioner. So when you're doing a humanitarian reinstatement, you're asking the immigration agencies to reopen or reinstate that I-130 petition so that you can continue on the process to get your green card. In order to apply for humanitarian reinstatement, you need to be the beneficiary of an approved I-130, and you need to be the principal beneficiary. Meaning, for example, if your sister is petitioning for you to get a green card, then you're the principal beneficiary, and you would be able to benefit from humanitarian reinstatement. However, your children would not be able to, because derivatives are not included in humanitarian reinstatement petitions. Humanitarian reinstatement petitions, as with everything else in immigration, is discretionary, so they're not guaranteed. But in order to apply, you first have to be the principal beneficiary of an approved I-130, and you also need to find a substitute sponsor, because in this example, your sister has passed away, your sister was a petitioner. So your sister would have been the person to file the affidavit of support to support your application for a green card. But now that your sister has passed away, you need to find someone to take her sister's place. And the person that you find to take your sister's place has to be either a US citizen or national, or they can be a green card holder. And they have to show that they have enough income to support you the same way that your sister would have needed to in order for you to get a green card. So for a lot of people, even if the petitioner passes away, that's not necessarily the end of their green card journey. I always recommend that you speak with an immigration attorney so that you understand what your options are and how to move forward. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and the work that we do. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next educational video. And also feel free to follow us on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer, where I share behind the scenes of what I'm up to when I'm not lawyering. Thanks for watching.